Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting and preparing the dock so repairs work and last. Walk the entire structure and mark rot, loose bolts, or warped boards. This tells you what to replace versus reinforce. Once done, gather tools and materials. Use galvanized or stainless fasteners to prevent corrosion. Make sure to note waterline and tide range, because working at the wrong level wastes time and risks safety. Put on a life vest and non-slip shoes, and have a second person nearby for tools and emergency help. You now remove and reinforce the failing structural components to restore integrity. Start by taking off damaged planks in sections so the dock remains partially supported. Label each piece to maintain orientation. Once exposed, inspect joists and stringers for rot or shifting. This is why many docks fail. If joists are compromised, sister a new beam alongside or replace it entirely, and secure with bracket plates and 1/4 to 3/8 galvanized bolts. Make sure to tighten to spec and test for flex before reboarding the surface. You finish by reinstalling decking and performing a full system check to ensure safety. Lay boards with a consistent 1/4 to 1/8 inch gap for drainage and thermal movement, and fasten with stainless or galvanized screws at roughly 12 spacing. This prevents squeaks and pull-through. Seal exposed cut ends with marine sealant to slow decay. Once complete, load test the dock gradually and inspect after a week for sinks, loose fasteners, or sway. If it still wobbles, tighten anchor bolts, add angle braces, or consult.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.